we doing today, Mom?
We're going on the duck tours.
We are. We're so excited. We heard they're so fun.
Land and sea. We're gonna see it all.
Yep. This is pretty sweet. Here's our ride. Duck tours! Off with the duck tours we go.
Oh, this is a video? Oh,
Yeah.
it's a video. Oh. Is that posing?
Going in the water.
Just like that, we're now a Coast Guard certified vessel. Not
We're on the road. So we just rode the duck tours. Cammy and I both drove, and it was awesome. Yeah, I didn't expect that we were going to be driving.
I know, that was awesome.
That was so fun.
Really fun.
We're just hanging out in the back bay. We're gonna go check out this market, Trinity Church. Cammy, tell us about the Fairmont Hotel.
All the furniture is from the Titanic. Turns out, I have no idea.
So beautiful in here. Oh, there's a cute black lab down there. So on the duck tours, the lady was being funny and said at the Fairmont Hotel, all the decor is decorated from the Titanic, and then she's talked about how it was sunk in the ocean, but half of my sisters missed that part, and so they're asking right now if the furniture in here is
Smart
really
sisters.
from Titanic.
The not so smart sisters.
This is the best. Okay, what did you guys find out?
They were totally making, she was making it up. No Titanic furniture. Not even a replica.
Trinity Church. These doors are pretty cool. Chocolate, here we come. Carrie looks so happy right now. What are you getting, Mom? I asked her mid-chocolate bite.
Raspberry.
Ooh. Rolling on up.
This reminds me of when we went to New York and we went up to the toy store.
Oh, that does.
It was kind of a similar moment.
Pretty magical. This is my family. Singing and dancing. Luncheon at Sweet Green. We all got our salads. Mom's gonna get a cannoli made. They like this. You can only live once. Is that your motto?
Just for today. Yesterday it was not my food. Today it's you only live once. Tomorrow it's dessert first.
All right, there's the cannolis. Dig in, ladies.
Wow.
Cammy.
Big.
Why? Can you only live once? We're making a pit stop. Where are we going, ladies?
It's roasted nuts. Cashews.
We can't get enough of the roasted nuts.
Almonds.
What's everyone's favorites?
Peanuts. Cashews hands down.
Almonds. Cashews, baby.
Big split.
Oh, yum. Open these up. Oh, yeah. Aubrey's having fun
I'm gonna follow you for
beating the piggy on.
Go.
We call them piggy-ons, but they're really pigeons. Look, they just scarfed that all up.
I cannot believe you can eat that.
But you know what? He's not going after the shell though.
We got back on the Freedom Trail today. We're going to Paul Revere's house.
Let's
Whoop,
do it.
whoop. $5 a person. Let's check it out. So this is Paul's house over here, and then they have a gift shop over here. Paul had a silver shop.
Yeah, so you've heard of Revere Ware.
Tell us about this, Mom.
Well, Paul Revere had a silver shop, and he had a foundry, and so they did lots of metal work, everything from bells to tableware, and I've heard of Revere Ware all my life. So
Pretty cool. Here's some samples. Aubrey, what's your feelings about Paul?
You know, I didn't realize that he had had many businesses, that he had started out with silverware and then moving to the iron cast, and
Came inside the Old North Church. Just walking down, exploring our street. Shopping. Check out this cute Boston map. Duck bacon. Duck pastrami. This is so cool. At the cutest market. That's just right next to where we're staying. This is the cutest packaging ever. Quincy Market for dinner.
I will wait for
Sushi rolls. This one's the spicy tuna, avocado, California, and caterpillar roll. Aubrey did clam. Is that clam chowder?
butternut squash with cranberries, and it's killer.
Ooh, Mom, did you do clam chowder?
It's the best I've ever had. Wow.
Candy down there. Is it really that good? Ooh, and Amber.
Some type of meat and potatoes and corn.
It looks good. Everyone's dancing. Get it, Ops! Get it, Ops! Card night? What are we playing tonight?
5 crowns, and I already have a winning hand, so heads up to y'all.
Bring it on!